Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to remove a video from a video file and just keep the audio in Flutter Android using Media3 transformer library. If you are looking for how to do it for iOS, I have already made a video on that as well. So yeah, let's get started. So firstly I will show you guys the output. So I'll just mirror my device, running devices. I'll remove this. I'll click on this. Okay, so here you can see that I have one button called open video picker without permission. If I click on it, the first thing it does is that it asks me for permission. Now this permission is related to asking permission for manage external storage permission, so that we can save our transformed video without the actual video, just the audio, to external storage. That's why this is a new thing in newer Android device called manage external storage permission. I will just give that particular permission. And for older Android devices, so I have just toggled this checkbox in front of the Flutter app. Then I'll go back to my app again, and here you can see that it has opened the video picker again. I'll select that particular video. It will first play the original video. So this is the video file. I'll just stop it. I'll click on convert. Now it will remove the video, just keep the audio. All this happens on a background thread, so you don't have to worry about it. So here you can see it has removed the video. It is playing the audio file. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but I have paused it for now. Also, it is possible to track the progress of how much progress has happened. So if it is a very long video, it will take a lot of time. So for that, again, this has deleted, so I'll again pick one more video. Also, if I click open video picker without permission, so I'll given that this is an audio file, so you're not able to really see it. Okay, so I'll just click on open video picker. Ignore this error for now because I didn't pick any video, that's why. Okay, just pause it. I'll click over video pick our video file. I'll just stop it. I'll click on convert, and here you can see the progress being displayed. Now again, I'll just stop this video audio because it is annoying. Here the 2 which you see at the very start, 2 and 0, is the progress state, and this 0, 47, 61 is the actual progress. Now it hasn't reached till 100 because I have added a 500 milliseconds delay, but with the help of the progress state, whether it has reached back to 0, you can know whether it has completed or not. Okay, the next thing is, so that's it. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So first I have created a Flutter project. Inside main.dart I have created this home page widget. It is a stateful widget. I have created a video URL, and I have variable, and I have created a method channel. So the method channel will help us to pick the video from video picker and send that picked videos URL back to Flutter side from native Android side. So here you can see inside this text button, so this pick video without permission method handles both the permission for external storage as well as showing the video picker and then getting the URI for that. So once we get it, we just assign it to our video URL variable and then call set state. And here inside visibility, so this visibility of this my video view depends on whether video URL is not equal to empty. And here inside my video view, it is a custom widget which I have created to display that players like the video player, audio player, the convert button. And here I have wrapped it inside a size box, otherwise my video view won't get displayed easily. So here inside I have created this custom widget. It is a stateful widget. It takes a video URL. We are sending that video URL back to native Android side with the help of this creation params map. We have also created a key so that your widget should get updated every time you pick a new URL or new video from your video picker. So that's why this is what it does. This code does that. And here I have created our Android view. Ignore the UI kit view for now. And here this is our view type, so you will have to use the same identifier on native Android side as well. And we are sending our creation params as well as our key. Next, that's it on the Flutter side. So you will have to open the Android folder inside Android Studio, and the first thing which you have to do is go to android manifest.xml, add the internet permission. So at the end of the video I will also show you how to do it for a video which is stored on a server. That's why I've taken the internet permission. For older Android device, for saving the transformed video or audio file, we have to use read write external storage permission, and here I have created our manage external storage permission as well. The next thing is you will have to go to settings.gradle over here, and I have updated the Kotlin version to 1.9.20. Also go to this build.gradle of app. I have added this activity and fragment extension, so that Kotlin extension, so that I can use register for activity result. Next I have added our exoplayer HLS, exoplayer UI, as well as exoplayer HLS to play the actual video. And for transforming the video, we are using common, effect, as well as transformer. Then I have also added this lifecycle runtime, so that I can make use of Kotlin coroutines. Then you will have to just click on sync now, so it will download all the dependencies for you. Just click on sync now. Then we'll have to go to main activity.kt. Here are all the imports for it. So basically we are using Flutter fragment activity. I have created a method channel result as well. I have created a mutable list of read write external storage permission, and here we are, if permission has been given. So this is for older Android devices. We are launching our new video picker. For newer Android devices, we are checking for manage external storage permission, and here we are requesting for manage external storage permission. If that is given, we are opening the settings app, which I showed you in my output. And here I have created a helper method to check whether manage external storage permission has been given or not, and once that is given, we are launching this. So here, as you can see, we are picking visual media with video only, and once user selects a URI, we send that URI back to Flutter side. Here we are overriding configure Flutter engine, so we are just registering our video view. So we are passing the same identifier which we are using it on the native on the Flutter side. And here I have created our method channel, so we are passing the same identifier, the same method name, and here we are just checking for permission. If permission is given, we call launch new video picker. The next thing here, as you can see, we are like referencing this Kotlin file. So I have created this Kotlin file over here called my video factory. Now this is a boilerplate code which you have to write for any kind of native UI Android view if you are trying to integrate. So this is just boilerplate code. The important thing is we are referencing this my video view file which I have created. So here is another Kotlin my video view file. So these are all the imports for it. So this will contain the actual logic of displaying our UI. Now here I have added the annotation of unstable, because at the time of this recording it is still unstable, but I think by the time you watch it, it will become unstable. It will become stable. And here we are extending transformer.listener as well as lifecycle owner. Now transformer.listener gives us two method, on completed and on error, so that we know whether the transformation was completed or not. And lifecycle owner, here it will help us to make use of Kotlin coroutines. And given that we are using lifecycle owner, we have to write this particular boilerplate code as well. And here I have created then a handler as well as a progress holder. Then I have created one linear layout. Then I have created two exoplayers, two player views, one button and one progress bar. Then I have created one file name variable as well. Playback position is 0, play when ready is true. And here I have creating our transformer, one file as well, and one video URL variable as well. Then inside the init state, we are creating our layout params as assigning it to our linear layout. Then I have taken one player view as well, and the height I have set it to 500. Then we are showing all the buttons like the next, previous, rewind, subtitle buttons, and adding it to our linear layout. Similarly for our button, I am setting the text as convert, adding our layout params as well, adding our button to linear layout. Then on button click listener, I am calling setup transformer. Then here we are initializing our player view, setting the height to 500 and displaying all these buttons as well. And here I am adding our output player view to our linear layout. Then I am displaying our progress bar, and I am setting it as invisible by default, so the output player view is also invisible by default. and adding our progress bar to linear layout, then we are getting the video URL from Flutter side and initializing our input player. So this is the code for initializing the input player, this is the code for initializing our output player, and this is the code for releasing our player. Inside get view we are returning our linear layout, inside dispose we are releasing our player, and inside setup transformer we are first checking if output player is playing some video. If yes, then we are releasing it and making it as null, and then we are calling transform video. And transform video we are first displaying our progress bar visibility as visible. Then we have created an empty array list. Then here we are initializing our transformer with that listener of transformer.listener. Here I have created an input media item. Here we are calling our edited media item, and the set remove video is true. So this is important. So this will help us to remove the video from the video file and just keep the audio. Then here I have created an external file as well, and with the help of transformer we are starting our transformation. Then over here we are actually tracking the how much transformation has occurred. So with the help of progress state you can know whether it is 0, 1 or 2. So 0 corresponds to progress state not started, 1 to progress state waiting for availability, 2 to progress state available. And this progress state progress holder dot progress will actually tell you how much progress has happened from 0 to 100. Then here we are creating our external file, and here we are this is the logic for saving file to the actual DCIM folder, which is the good practice. Now this only works on API 29 and above. If you want to save it below API 29, then you might have to follow my video on how to save it to downloads directory. It won't save it to DCIM folder, because for below API 29 saving it to DCIM folder is extremely complicated. That's why I've avoided it, and most people are using above API 29 nowadays for Android. So as I told you at the very start, will be getting two overridden methods, on completed and on error. So on completed will be called when transformation is success. So here we are displaying our output player, initializing it. If file name is not equal to null, we are saving file to external storage, hiding our progress bar, and on error we are hiding our output player as well as progress bar and displaying a toast message as well. So yeah, that's it. Next I will show you how to do it for file which is stored on a server as well. So I'll just take this URL, I'll paste it over here, I'll rerun my app. So almost everything remains the same. The only thing which you will have to worry about it, so we are storing our file to external storage, right? But here as you can see, so okay, I'll just wait a little bit. Okay, so here if you remember in the first output, because I clicked on this button, I have already provided the external read write storage or manage external storage permission. So if you are directly using this video URL, you will have to give the external storage or manage external storage permission if you want to save video to external storage. Okay, if you don't want to, you can ignore that particular logic. But if you are not saving file to external storage, you will have to comment out this code. And if you want that particular permission, then from this particular code you will have to remove like from the native side you will have to remove that video picker code and just keep the manage external storage and read external storage permission. So you can maybe call this on inside the init state itself, lifecycle hook of your Flutter widget, but make sure you remove the unnecessary code. So yeah, that's it. Everything else will remain the same. So we'll just wait for this particular app to build. Okay, so the output is ready. I'll quickly show you that. Alright, so as you can see, this is the original video playing from our network URL. I'll quickly pause it for now. I'll click on convert. You don't have to pause it before clicking on convert. It's just that the audio is very annoying. I find it difficult to speak. That's why, and here you can see it has started playing the audio. So I'll just stop that as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.